Hello everyone, you're watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily update from courts around the country. In the Air India urination case, Shankar Mishra, the accused, has been arrested for allegedly urinating on a fellow passenger on board an Air India flight in November last year while under the influence of alcohol. The court heard the complaint that the father of the accused allegedly sent WhatsApp messages, but the accused denied these allegations. The court has reserved its order on the bail plea and is expected to pronounce its decision today. Moving on to the Ashish Mishra bail plea case, the Supreme Court bench of Justices Suryakant and V. Subramaniam has observed that the trial in the case concerning 2021 Lakhimpur Kheri violence, in which Ashish Mishra stand accused, may take up to 5 years as per the status report submitted in the matter. The complainants have asked the Supreme Court for day-to-day trial, citing the gravity of the charges and the need for speedy resolution of the case. In another development, the Orissa High Court has stated that the law holding the sex on false promise of marriage amounts to rape appears to be erroneous and that the matter deserves a serious relook. The court emphasized that the rape law should not be used to regulate intimate relationships, especially in cases where the women have agencies and are entering in a relationship by choice. This observation is likely to have significant impact on future cases of this nature. Moving on, in a shocking incident, the Patna High Court has initiated a suo motu case against advocate Niranjan Kumar, who is accused of attempting to rape a law intern inside his chamber. The complaint states that the advocate coerced the girl for sexual favors in the name of Guru Dakshina and also tried to rape her inside his chamber. This case highlights the urgent need for stricter laws and regulations to protect interns and young professionals in legal profession. Lastly, the Supreme Court is set to hear public interest litigation petition seeking quashing of June 2022 Bihar government notification that had called for caste census in the state. The petition drawn by advocate Barun Kumar Sinha has challenged the state's notification as being against the basic nature of constitution. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha have agreed to hear the plea on January 20th. This is a significant development as the outcome of this case has potential to impact the future conduct of such consensus in other states as well. Thank you for watching this video. To read in detail about these updates, do visit our website. Link is in the description box and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.